Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Lego Builder Logan. In our last episode, we made this little stick figure. But today, I thought he needed a pet. So, we're gonna make this little cat. It's got white socks and everything. Alright. Get your pieces and get ready. Alright, once you've got all your pieces, then you are going to make the body. I'm going to take one of these 4-dot rectangles. Then you're going to take 2 more of the 4-dot rectangles. You're gonna stick them together, make it like this. And you're gonna take one more 4-dot rectangle, stick it on. And that is the body, where everything connects. Short break, and then we'll come back. Alright, welcome back, and it's time to build the tail. So for this, we're gonna take a 3-dot square. Is the square here? And you're gonna stick it onto the body like so. So it looks like this. And you're gonna take a 2-dot square. You're gonna stick it onto that piece that we just put in. And you're just gonna take another 2-dot square, stick it on again. There you have it, the tail. After this short break, we will come back to do the legs. Alright, welcome back, and it's time to do the legs. First, we're going to take these 2 little white socks. We're going to set them down. We're going to take 2 little 2-dot squares and stick it on to his white socks. Boom. Done. Ta-da! Alright. Then we're gonna take 2 more 2-dot squares and stick them up. Then we've got these little legs. But it's not done yet. Still need 1 more layer. So 2 more 2-dot squares and stick them up. Then, once we're done with our legs, we're gonna stick them onto the body. So it looks like this. After this break, we'll do the final step, the head. Oh yeah, final step is here, now. Okay, welcome back. And it's time to do the final step. Alright, so first, you're going to take these little 4-dot rectangles, and you're gonna stick them together. Then we are going to take these 2 little 2-dot rectangles. We're gonna stick them on like so. So it's like a little basket. we're gonna take this right here, this 2-dot square. Now you may think that it goes right here in the middle, top off the head and make it round. But instead, it goes on the side, so it looks like this. It might be confusing to you, but it won't be, because look, we got this little empty section, and this cat looks like this. So then all I need to do is stick the head onto top. And there you have it. A pet for your stick figure. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye!